Hey, it's Mr. Larrie, and I've got another project for you just in time for fall, featuring Tulip's reverse tie-dye kit. There's nothing I love more than wearing layers in fall, even here in Florida, So I found some black cotton fabric and I made this. Now, it's pretty cool, but I think it'd be even better if we set it on fire. Metaphorically, of course. Reverse tie-dye is super easy. Just add water to your color changer solution and prepare your clean, natural fiber fabric for use. After a little testing, I scrunch my project into a plastic tub and then I apply the color changer using both a squirt bottle and a spray bottle for a really mottled effect. I let this sit for 20 minutes, rinse and repeat on the opposite side for maximum brightness. Once we've got the black removed from our fabric, then we go back in with some tulip colors. And if you're feeling the fall fantasy, be sure to use red, orange, and yellow. Now the color application is just as simple as before. I apply my colors in a gradient to damp fabric in the pre-lightened areas, then let that sit for 6 to 8 hours, and then give it a final rinse. The end result is a custom fall-time flame-inspired frock that is truly one of a kind. I want to send a big shout out to Tulip for sponsoring today's project. Stay creative and stay crafty.